So today we're planning out where exactly we're going to build this detached shop. The utility locators came and they located things like power and water, stuff like that. Any CenturyLink or buried fiber cables. Right here is the proposed location to build this 24 wide by 26 deep detached shop here. It's going to match this beautiful A-frame home we have already on the property. It's not going to be the same style as like an A-frame shop, it's just going to match in all the aesthetic finishes. So we do have one power line right here. It will be roughly 3 to 4 foot offset from the foundation wall of this shop here. We don't want to cover that up. We're going to use a lot of the clean rock material here that's on the driveway. We got a lot of clean rock and stuff that's not very good driveway material. Use that as structural fill underneath here where this garage pad will be built. And then we'll be capping this driveway with a gravel that actually has some limestone in it, some clay that will help to pack it together, making a nice driveway. And then we're gonna have to establish a little better flow line here on the right hand side. Not right hand side, left hand side of the garage as that wraps around. The only tree that we should have to remove is this tree right here, smaller pine tree. These other bigger pine trees we'll be able to keep and save. And this will really help clean this area up and get them a nice detached shop, and yeah,